Hi, I'm Helene Segura, and I'm a time management fixer. That means that I help people improve their personal efficiency so they can get more done in less time at work, which companies love because it increases revenue and it also allows employees to have a life outside of work. It's what we all want, work-life balance. When I was asked late Friday afternoon to submit a video of me speaking in jeans, initially I was excited. I thought, finally, I get to dress comfortably when I deliver a keynote. But then I realized nobody has ever hired me before and allowed me to speak in jeans. Therefore, I don't have video of me speaking in jeans. So I had to make a decision. Should I spend the weekend creating a fake keynote with sound effects so I can send something to you of me speaking my keynote, wearing jeans, or should I practice what I preach and not work the whole weekend and instead spend time at my college reunion? Well, I decided on the latter, so here I am, home of the 12th man, Texas A&M University, and guess what? I'm wearing jeans. So what I'd like to share with you is whether I am dressed in a business suit and heels, or I'm in a sweatshirt and jeans, or if you want me wearing neon pink leg warmers, it doesn't matter. Because what I will deliver to your audience is helpful strategies and tactics that will help your folks slay lost time, save at least 2 hours each day, and change their lives forever. So I hope you will consider this, me speaking in jeans. Thank you.